How to upload PDF on Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you how to upload PDF on Google Classroom. So if you're a teacher and you want to upload a PDF to share with your students on Google Classroom, here's what you should do. First, go ahead and open Google Classroom. So go ahead and head over into classroom.google.com and then select your class. And then from here, head over into the classwork tab and then click on this create button and then set this to material. And then from here, you can go ahead and add your PDF. So as you can see, you can upload it simply. If you have it on your local drive, you can select your PDF from your device. You can also attach from Google Drive if it's stored here. Now for materials, so once you have uploaded it, go ahead and create a title and description for it, and then click on the post button at the top right of your screen. So let's try uploading a PDF. I'll upload one from my local drive. And then click on open to upload it. And then once it's uploaded, you'll need to go ahead and create a title and description for this. And that is how you can basically upload a PDF on Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.